You do not want links that are not relevant to the topic of your site on any page. That includes footer credits as well. Links in the footer appear on every single page of your website. So, every single page will be affected if you do not remove the footer credits. Here's how you can remove links in the footer. You want to go to Appearance, Editor. Currently, the child theme of 2014 is active. You always want to make modifications to the files of the child theme and never to the files of the parent theme. If you modify the files of the parent theme, the files will get overwritten the next time you update the theme. So, you will want to check if the active theme is a child theme and that you are editing the files of the child theme. In this case, we want to modify the file footer.php, but the child theme does not have a copy of this file. So, you will want to log into your cPanel. The interface may be slightly different depending on your host, but you will have a link to the file manager in your cPanel. Go to the public HTML folder of your website and open the WP content folder. Click on the themes folder and open the folder of the parent theme. In this case, it is 2014. You want to copy the file footer.php to the child themes folder. Click on the file footer.php to select it and download the file to your computer. Once you have downloaded the file, you will want to go to the child themes folder. Now, upload the file footer.php to this folder. The file has been uploaded. If you refresh, you can see the footer.php is now in the child themes folder. If we now go back to the WordPress editor and refresh this page, you can see the footer.php file is now present here. Click on the file to open it in the editor. This is the line of code that you want to modify. You can replace this line with this line. Let's copy this and paste it here. Update the file. If we now go back to our site, scroll down, if we refresh this page, you can see that the footer credits have been replaced with this line. In case you do not want to have anything in the footer, you can choose to delete this line as well. All you need to do is go back to the footer.php file and just delete this line. Update the file. Let's refresh the page. That line is now gone. This is how you can remove WordPress footer credits.